Merry Christmas, everyone. Hi, and a very Merry Christmas to one and all as we're running up to that lovely special time of the year, and 2024 is slowly coming to a close. Now, I like this time of the year because it's a time spent with family and close friends, and everybody is in a good, happy, joyous mood. Hopefully, that is. So, 2024 has been a little bit of a challenging year, but this year we managed to get our house finished. It leaves us in a good position to spend more time doing videos and filming in 2025. So I'm really looking forward to that. But what I wanted to do was take a couple of minutes out just to say a huge big thank you to you for joining me throughout the year and joining me on some of my adventures. I loved reading your comments, and I feel like we're slowly building quite a nice little community. And earlier, well, just not earlier in the year, but just recently we passed 20,000 of you lovely subscribers, which is quite a landmark. And we are doing our best to put lots of things together for you in the new year. So during this festive period, I hope you get the chance to relax and enjoy yourselves and look forward to what I hope will be a healthy 2025 for each and every one of you. Please remember, if you're not lucky enough to be around your family at this time of the year, I'm sure they're with you in spirit, whether they are still with you now or have passed on. So please, you're never alone. There's always support around for each and every one of us. And let's hope we can get through this Christmas period in a happy, wonderful place and have a great and prosperous 2025. So I will be seeing you very, very soon. But thank you very much. Take care of yourselves. And as always, stay gorgeous. Until the next time, bye bye.